gunshot ongoing live here in the local government of Obiakpor Council. Gunshot from the outside. We don't know. There are gunshots so far. There are gunshots. This is happening live in Obiakpor. 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 Wait now. Sure. Wait now. Wait. This is happening live in Obiakpor. This is happening live in Obiakpor. This is the current situation in Obiakpor. This is the current situation in Obiakpor. This is the current situation in Obiakpor. Reporting live on Capital TV. This is the current situation in Obiakpor. In Obiakpor Council, this is the current situation. This is the current situation in Obiakpor local government.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Yes, you see the video you just watched right now. That is the situation in Rivers State. And before the election, you have seen how they were throwing bombs up and down. During the election, they even hired terrorist helicopter to come and threaten some people. But all their plan did not work. And after they saw in, thank God that those people were even saw in on Sunday. If not, what's supposed to happen is that they will still bring a court order to stop this very end. Is this the country you people want? Every now and then, I know why I'm telling you people, remove your hope from Nigeria. Remove your faith from Nigeria. This country is doomed forever. Imagine what one man is trying to hijack everywhere. And everybody is supporting him. The powers that be is supporting Wike. Wike is not causing crisis. He's protesting. Though he's fighting his last fight and he's going to fail woefully. See, before I come to social media to tell you that Nigeria is doomed forever, you don't just understand what I do say every time because you don't have the information in my own disposal. Imagine a constitutional authority. You see how police is dodging, shooting back. This is just like a war. Just imagine which country this kind of thing happen. We are not even talking about insecurity. I am even tired of reporting insecurity. Every day kidnapping, death, Boko Haram, killings everywhere. And no one is talking about it. No one is talking about it. And tomorrow now, you will see some people that will come out and say, this country, let us unite together, let us fight for the best. Where will you start? If the foundation has been destroyed or was destroyed, what would the righteous people do? You see, you becoming a good person does not guarantee that you can change anything. And that is why those who are thinking that, oh, political regime change is the hope of the people, let's look for better person to put in the position of authority, I am just laughing. When the foundation has been destroyed, what will the righteous people do? The foundation of Nigeria has been destroyed because right from the amalgamation, the other day I talked about the amalgamation of Nigeria, which is the major problem we're having today. Let me tell you, if not be because of Abuja, who is Wike? Who is Wike? They will catch him and put him inside the bag. But you have those people who are supporting him. He have APC terrorist government who are supporting him. APC is fond of supporting terrorists. APC is fond of, pushing all kind of things against the Nigerian people. And I do tell people that the presidency is against the people. And among everything going on in Nigeria, Nigeria now is growing high tension. What is happening in the north now? They have been able to suppress media that they should not report insecurity and killings in the north again. And the Arewa Consultative Forum, they came out 3 days ago. You saw the news, right? They said they are now afraid because the people they call bandits, who are the terrorists, will be able to break Nigeria. I said, oh, now you people are beginning to understand what Okocha has been saying before. There is no two ways about it. You can still doubt me, but put it on the wall and may God keep you alive. This country will not survive what is going through because there are some certain elements who vowed that they must continue to do things in their old way, but things does not work like that. Nigeria can't survive all these things. The best thing every Nigeria should do right now, you should be able to be canvassing for your own indigenous people. I don't care to know where you come from the north to the south, east to west. We need to return the way we were before 1914. Nigeria has no business becoming a country. Nigeria has not been a nation. And later on, that Bonner boy said that we are not meant to be a nation, that Nigeria is just a British company that they turn into nation. And that is true. But people are pretending, they are trying to deny the fact because you want people to notice you. You are a friend to politician, you are a politician. Your hope is the resources of the country. Your hope is that you do business from the country and you benefit from the country. That is just your hope. You don't have any other hope again. And when that fails, you will suffer. Because of that, you continue to convince people. You see, this country, there is no two ways about it. This country is not going to break. This country is not going to break. No problem. Your people will be dying in shame. They will be dying like chicken. Look at how they are shooting guns. This is more than a war. In Israel, that UN is holding Security Council. This kind of chaos, anarchy, you can't see it in Israel. This kind of anarchy. Look at gun battle. There are so many graphics that I can't share with you because of YouTube community guidelines. I believe you must have seen it on Facebook or Twitter. Now, if you see Obiakpor, you see Edeme, you see Ikwere, Wike's local government, it has been razed down. It has been burned down to ashes. State of anarchy. If we have military officers who are reasonable, they're supposed to have taken over Nigeria because this is anarchy. One man is trying to truncate everything and people are playing. And day before yesterday, Kasim Shettima gathered a lot of people. They went to Finland to meet the president of Finland because of Biafra agitation. Is that not insane? But your country, Boko Haram, is challenging you. You have not gathered to go and beg how to defeat them. We are just playing in this country. And it's not going to work. It's not going to work. Come, let's have a bet. Bet at any amount of money. May God keep us alive. From now till 5 years, let's see how this game these people are playing, how it is going to be. When you see something growing, you should know where it is going to. When you shoot a catapult and it is flying in motion, you should know the direction it's going to. Nigeria is heading to doom, and there is no one that can rescue this country. If you like us, keep on pretending. That is not my business. Keep on pretending. But when it will meet you, let me tell you, all these terrorists have surrounded Nigeria. All these terrorists. People are just playing game, doing politics. Stop doing politics and face the business. Nigeria has been surrounded. Both the South, not even the North, especially like Delta State, Port Harcourt, Bayelsa, even Edo now has been surrounded. It's only Southeast that is safe now in Nigeria. All these areas has been surrounded. They are under siege of the terrorists and people are still doing shenanigans, playing all this political evil game. They don't even know what is coming. Look at what is going on. It is a shame.
Shot ongoing live here in the local government of Obiakpor Council. Gunshot from the outside. We don't know. There are gunshots so far. There are gunshots. This is happening live in Obiakpor. 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 Wait. This is happening live in Obiakpor. This is happening live in Obiakpor. This is the current situation in Obiakpor. This is the current situation in Obiakpor. This is the current situation in Obiakpor. Reporting live on Capital TV. This is the current situation in Obiakpor. You know, Obiakpor Council, this is the current situation. This is the current situation in Obiakpor local government. Someone else